So here's a little look at the co-op spaces. So this is freehand. I don't have the gimbal on me. And then they have a washer and dryer in here. But you do have your own washer in your room. So I guess if you wanted to dry your clothes down here, you could. Yeah, I don't think these rooms are like that big of a deal. And I just finished a workout, so if I'm out of breath, that's why. I was a little disappointed with the gym. It's like not the most cleanliness. And there's no like wipe or something to wipe things down. The treadmill was a little disappointing. This is like super old. We got some weights. And I don't know if I can, nah, can't really see the outside too well. But we got the bachelor pad in here. And then it comes with a view, but you have to work for it. You have to earn it.